Okay, so today's video is on finishing up all of the rules for integers. We've done all the adding and subtracting, and so today in one video we're going to do multiplying and dividing. We'll put them together because they actually share the rule, and they're both pretty easy and straightforward, so I thought it'd be a nice, short, quick video, and we can do both together. So it's these bottom four rules that we're going over today. And they're pretty straightforward and easy. If I'm multiplying and the integers have the same sign, then my answer is going to be positive. All I do is multiply. If I'm multiplying and they have different signs, then it's going to be negative. And all I have to do is multiply. If I'm dividing and they have the same sign, it's going to be positive, and I just divide. If I'm dividing and they have different signs, then it's going to be a negative. And again, I just divide. So, like I said, it's really the same rule. Whether I'm multiplying or dividing, all that I'm worried about is if they have the same sign, then it's positive. If they have different signs, it's negative. And I just multiply or divide whatever the problem says. So, here's a couple example problems. So I can see here I've got one negative and one positive. They're different, which means my answer will be a negative. And just multiply. 5 times 9 is 45. On this one, these are both positive. They have the same sign, which means my answer is positive. 7 times 8 is 56. So there's my answer. On the third one here, I have two negatives. So again, they are the same sign. So the answer is positive. And 4 times 7 is 28. And the last one here, I have a positive and a negative, so they're different signs. So my answer will be negative. 11 times 2 is 22. Dividing, exact same thing. I have a negative and a positive. They're different. Answer is negative. 28 divided by 4 is 7. I have a positive and a negative. Different again. Sign's going to be negative. 32 divided by 2 is 16. Down here, I've got both of these are negatives, which means my answer will be positive because they're the same sign. 15 divided by 3 is 5. And the last one, I have two positives, so they have the same sign. My answer is positive, and it is 4. So that is all you have to remember for multiplying and dividing. If the signs are the same, the answer will be positive. If the signs are different, the answer will be negative. And I just multiply or divide whatever the problem says.